Alright guys, so I always get requests for different desserts and stuff like that that are technically a little bit on the healthier side. Check this out. This is a tapioca mango, that's what it is. It's mango coconut, and you see the tapioca in there, and then it has coconut jelly in there. So let me do a quick taste test for you, show you what it looks like, but give you a good idea. And that floating there is ice. So you can get these usually at local Asian restaurants. So check this out. So you can taste the coconut milk that goes in there. The mango, the pomelo tastes really good. Think of it like a more like a drink. It's more like a bubble tea drink. So definitely check it out. If you have any questions, comments, guys, post them below. Subscribe to the channel.